Hey guys, Troy with Advanced Age Management. Hey, today we're going to talk about the Anastrazole or Arimidex, and this is your estrogen blocker. This is a medicine that will come in tablet form, just like any other pill. This can be stored at room temperature in any kind of closet. It does not need to be refrigerated. This one is really important for you to take, and what this is going to do is block estrogen. And it's really important when we take testosterone and you put it into your body, what happens is, as we use it, it turns into estrogen. And we don't want estrogen levels to go up. We need them to stay consistent. You'll be prescribed this medicine typically, not always, but twice a week. We want you to do it the day after the injection and typically 3 days after the injection. Now, every patient's different. We may have some of you on once a week, some of you on 3 times a week, and some of you on twice a week. But make sure that you take this. It's actually really important to keep estrogen levels down. Symptoms of high estrogen levels may be breast swelling and or tenderness. And we don't want those things to occur. You can also get some decreased libido or decreased quality stiffness of erections. So that's your Arimidex. Make sure that you're storing it in a nice warm, dry place, and you're taking this once, twice, or 3 times a week based on what you're prescribed. It's a really important part of your program.